In this example, we are going to look at squaring binomials. Squaring a bracket simply means multiplying the bracket to itself. So x plus 2 all squared, you write it as x at 2 times x at 2. Now I'll use the distributive and the 10 by 10 method here. If you look at my other video, you can see the 3 or 2 other methods you could use. X times x will give me x squared, and then x times 2 will give me 2x. Then 2 times x will give me 2x, and then 2 times 2 will give me 4. This will then expand to give x squared add 4x add 4. B. This equals m plus 3 times m add 3. So that will give me m times m will be m squared, add m times 3 will give me 3m, add 3 times m is also 3m, and then 3 times 3 will be 9. So this will simplify to give m squared add 6m add 9. That equals x minus 5 times x minus 5 to get x squared, and then that is x by x is x squared, x by minus 5 will give you minus 5x. And the minus 5 by x will give us minus 5x, and the minus 5 times minus 5 will be equals to 25. This will simplify to give x squared minus 10x add 25. D. X minus 7 all squared means x minus 7 times x minus 7. This gives us x squared minus 7x. This and that will give us minus 7x. This and that will give us plus 49, which equals x squared minus 14x plus 49. Now, there's an interesting generalization around this. If I just have them in terms of letters, a in a plus b all squared becomes a plus b times a plus b. That gives me a squared plus ab add ab add b squared, which will simplify to be a squared add 2ab add b squared. Apply this here, you're going to get the same. Use the same strategy. You got a minus b into a minus b. You're getting a squared minus ab will give us minus ab, and then so a times a is a squared. A times minus b will give us minus b. The minus b times a will give us minus ab, and minus b times minus b will give us plus b squared. This will simplify to give a squared minus 2ab add b squared. Now, if you study the generalization, you notice a pattern. That is, a squared is here, and then b squared is the last term. What is in the middle is the product of a and b, twice the product. So it's first term squared plus twice the product add the last term squared. The first term squared plus twice the product add the last term squared. So let's try it. As an example, if I have x add 5 all squared, I'll just do it this way. First term squared will give me x squared plus twice the product, x times 5 will give me 5x, add the last term squared, which is 5 squared. If I simplify this, I'm going to get x squared add 10x add 25. So if you need to know the generalization, you can expand brackets, double brackets easily. Let's try another one. X add 11 all squared will give me x squared plus twice 11 times x, that will give me 22x add 11 squared. So I'm going to get x squared add 22x add 1 2 1. It works for minus as well. Let's say t minus 3 squared will become t squared minus twice the product, so twice t times 3 will give me minus 6t, and then square minus 3 will give me 9. So in words, we could say a plus b all squared equals square the first term, add twice the product of the first and second terms, add square of the second term. 2k plus 1 squared is therefore square this bit to give me 4k squared plus twice of 2k times 1 plus 1 squared. So I'm going to get 4k squared add 4k plus 1.